Hello and welcome to another development in the Andrew and Tristan Tate arrest scenario. The Tate brothers' lawyer has come out on TV to discuss the case, and I'm going to break down some of the key points that were mentioned in that interview. First of all, Andrew Tate's lawyer mentioned that in a raid placed on the 11th of the 4th, 2022, which was over 8 months ago, items removed in that raid still remain unreturned to the Tate brothers. Their lawyer said that this period of time is unexplainably long, and any key information could have been taken from the device in that time. Now, personally, I am aware that the police take their sweet time when processing evidence, as they don't want to miss anything. This could be the scenario considering it's such a high-profile case. Tate's lawyer also mentioned, and this is very key, there was not a single bit of evidence, that's a quote, other than witness statements regarding to the rape charges. So there is no hard evidence other than witness statements. Now, does this mean that we can instantly disregard these witness statements? Absolutely, it does not. We cannot do that, and we must wait until a jury and judge decide after hearing those witness statements. Tate's lawyer said it's very clear that no such crime is supported, and there are no evidentiary items to support such a crime. He mentioned the judge of rights and freedoms had no reasonable suspicion that this act could be attributed to any of the defendants. In regards to the human trafficking allegations, Tate's lawyer once again confirmed that there are no elements to create a reasonable suspicion on the perpetration of this act. Now, what he's saying there is that there's no physical evidence like a video or a photograph or a letter or anything to suggest that Tate was guilty in either of those cases. However, witness statements are still to be considered, still to be heard, and still to be known as proper evidence, following the Romanian legal system, which I must say I'm not very clear on myself. Another key point is that Tate's lawyer was only provided with 45 minutes to review key prosecution documents related to the case. This seems like Tate's lawyer was provided with an extremely small amount of time to review these documents, promoting the mistakes and general misunderstandings regarding this info. Now, I'm going to break down the entire 30-minute interview in a longer form video. However, I wanted to get these 5 key points out, and I'm going to backtrack over those. So Tate's lawyer mentioned there was not a single bit of hard evidence other than witness statements. Tate's lawyer mentioned that there is no such a crime is supported, and there are no evidentiary elements to support such a crime. He mentioned the judge of rights and freedoms had no reasonable suspicion that this act could have been attributed to any of the defendants. Now, I have linked the full video below so you can go and watch that and call me out if I made any mistakes whilst reviewing this video. Thank you so much for listening. Keep updated with all the news, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.